Hey everyone, welcome to Acrylic Yarn. So today we're going to learn how to crochet this heart applique. So I'll be using 100% acrylic yarn. This is the weight 4 yarn and I'll be using a 5mm crochet hook. So you can use any weight yarn. So I've made with 100% acrylic yarn but a weight 4 yarn. This I've made with weight 3 yarn. So this I've used Ganga Olivia weight 3 yarn and used a 3.5 crochet hook, and you can see the size difference. So let's get started. You're gonna start with a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your fingers. Form an X. So now with your crochet hook, you're going to go under the first strand and pull up the second. And now yarn over and pull it through this loop. And then you just kind of tighten it. So this forms your magic ring. So now chain 3. Yarn over twice. You're going to place a triple crochet into the magic ring, yarn over, pull up a loop. So now you have 4 strands on your crochet hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over, pull through 2. So you're going to make 2 more triple crochets. Chain 3 triple crochets. Now yarn over and place 3 double crochets. So I have 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. So that's my first double crochet. We're going to make 2 more. So yarn over, go through the magic loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2. So you want to make 1 more. So now yarn over twice. You're going to place a triple crochet in the magic ring. Now you're just going to do the exact same thing you did on this side in reverse. So now you're going to place 3 double crochets. That's 1. This is my second double crochet, and then my third double crochet. I'm just going to pull this a little bit. Okay, so now in the beginning here we added 3 triple crochets, so we're going to do that. So yarn over twice and place 3 triple crochets. So pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over, pull through 2. 2 more triple crochets. So now chain 3, slip stitch in the magic ring. So that's my slip stitch. And now you're just going to yarn over, pull through this loop, and pull it tight. And just pull this yarn, and you're just going to cut this. So this is how it's going to look. So now you're going to pull your magic ring tail and close your magic ring. So now the heart is complete. So as you can see, there's your heart. So now you're going to weave in these ends. Give these two a little knot. Don't pull it too tight. If you want, you can give it another knot. Now I'm just going to go through this magic ring and just secure it. So your heart is complete. So you can use any weight yarn. Just use the mentioned hook size on the yarn table and you'll get different size hearts. You can use this however you want. You can hot glue them to a clip, or you can make this into a keychain. It's up to you. Thank you for watching the tutorial. Please do like and subscribe.